I am Ben Johns, and I've been playing professional pickleball for a little over 4 years now. I was a tennis player and a table tennis player. I kind of found pickleball randomly. I just saw it played one day, and I was like, oh, that looks kind of in between the two sports I love. I was used to playing for long hours at a time, but there's kind of a contrast between pickleball and tennis, whereas tennis, you play 1, maybe 2 matches in a day. Pickleball, they do the whole tournament in one day for your division. What I found was really important in pickleball is because you have so many matches in a day, it's not a normal sport where you hydrate while you're playing. I always hydrate between matches and throughout the day. If you didn't do that, and if you didn't drink the right stuff, you would just naturally flag after a couple matches, because once you have your energy go up and then it goes down, it's continually harder to keep bringing it back up. Throughout the day, I would take salt tablets, I would take electrolyte tablets, and when it was hot and it was a long day, I just feel my energy drop. Those last few matches of the day, you could just find your energy dropping, going from, okay, I feel good, to I have nothing left. I started taking Electrolyte Supreme in the fall of last year. There was like no energy lacking, I played great, and I recovered perfect. I was like surprised. I know I played a lot over those 3 days or 4 days, and afterwards I wasn't even sore. You get your energy, your muscles don't fatigue, you don't cramp, and you recover. It's all upside. If you're not drinking electrolytes yet, then you probably haven't tried them.